Welcome to La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort Spa. Your sanctuary of peace, nature, and pure indulgence. Here, every touch tells a story of wellness. Experience our full body massage that melts away stress, our refreshing facials that bring out your natural glow, and our soothing manicure and pedicure treatments that leave your hands and feet pampered to perfection. Immerse yourself in our signature La Campagne Ocean Sand Bath, where the ocean's warmth and minerals rejuvenate your body and soul. Relax deeper with our head and leg massages, or drift away with our aromatic and deep tissue therapies designed to heal, restore, and energize. Let tension disappear with our back massage and complete your experience with a delicious breakfast, lunch, or dinner spa served fresh from the heart of paradise. At La Campagne Tropicana Spa, we don't just relax your body, we awaken your spirit. La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort Spa, a blissful marriage of man and nature.